Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead. And today I'm going to give you guys an update on the Poo Room. Hey everybody. So it is crazy weather day here in Georgia. We've got nothing but storms in the area. So since we're grounded and we can't really go outside and play today, I figured I'd give you guys a quick update on the Command Center Poo Room dining room remodel. So as you guys know from one of Robin's first vlogs and for us in the live stream, we took the dining room and we completely painted it with chalkboard paint. Now we didn't use the status quo black or green chalkboard paint. The lady at Home Depot informed Robin that she could dye it in different colors, and so Robin picked this one color. To me, it looked like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory blew up in here, but hey, I'm a guy. I don't know about these things. You know, I don't know that what color works great with other things. That's kind of not real high on my dude priority list. So that's why I leave that kind of stuff up to her. So Robin has turned this into our Command Center, where we have our menu, we have a calendar, we have a prayer wall, and you know, she just decorated it up really nice. We have a word of the week, a quote of the week, and a Bible verse of the week, and then we have the chores listed out. So that way there's, well, look, when you got 3 kids and 2 of them are really close in age, they love to argue about whose job is what. So if it's written, it is done. There's no arguing. Why? Because mom and dad are the one who wrote that up on the wall. Now when it comes to the menu, it makes it very easy because look, we homeschool. So home ec is a part of our daily routine to where the girls cook. So they need to know what to cook. One of them is responsible for pulling the meat out to thaw the day before. And so she needs to know what we're having the next day in order to be able to pull the meat out. So blam, we got the meat up on the wall. We have the calendar up there to keep us on track for any like Apollo's heartworm pill, any VA appointments I may have, any appointments that Blaze may have with a lot of the schooling that he's going to for his career in law enforcement, work schedules, when bills are due, so on and so on. Different conferences, meetups, and stuff like that we've agreed to go to, they go automatically up on the calendar. And then, of course, we have our prayer wall, which you guys, we invite you to participate in. If you are in need of prayer, or if you know somebody that's in need of prayer, shoot us an email. We'll put them up on the prayer wall. And trust me, they'll get prayed for at least once a day by each member of my family. There's been times I've walked in here and I've caught both my girls at different points in times praying for the people up on the wall. I've caught my wife praying for the people up on the wall. I pray for the people that are up on the wall. And so we keep a list right there of who to pray for. If it's a real specific prayer, we'll maybe make a little note, but the Lord knows why we're praying for them. And then, of course, up here we have our quote of the week. This week, it comes from Superman, Christopher Reeve, the only Superman. Just going to leave it like that. There's no reason to argue. Christopher Reeve, the one true Superman. And then behind me, we've got our plant station to where once the seedlings have grown to a specific point to where it's time to start hardening them off, they hit these shelves over here. So then that way they stay in the dining room where it's not as hot as it was in the seed starting room. So that way it helps them with the hardening off process from coming into the cold frames, out of the cold frames. But most of the time, most of them are going out to the cold frames and pretty much staying there majority of the time now. And that's about it. The kids, we spend a lot of time in this room. The kids do their homeschool stuff in this room. We eat in this room. This room is a very high traffic room. And so it would only make sense for us to put our command center and all the information and stuff in this room. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this update. I hope it may inspire you to do something like this at your homestead to help keep things organized. Next to the calendar, I just thought about this. Next to the calendar, we're going to start, once we get the garden planted, harvest dates will be put up there. So that way everybody knows when you start getting close to that date, you can go out there to those specific tomatoes or those cucumbers or whatever, and it's time to start looking and start harvesting. So this might be something that you guys might want to incorporate on your homestead. If you think it's something that you might try and do, hey, let us know in the comments below. And if you want to add somebody to our prayer wall, feel free to leave it in the comments below, or hey, feel free to shoot us an email at bigbearfarms@hotmail.com, and we will put them up on our prayer wall. Well, guys, thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless, and have a nice day.